Hello, I am Vasanti Revatkar, Department of Botany, Sri Ganesh Mahavidyalaya, Navargaon district, Chandrapur. In this lecture, I am explaining family Poaceae, that is Gramineae also. The contents are introduction, systematic position, distribution, important genera, diagnostic features, habitat, then vegetative characters of the genera, the reproductive characters, and economic importance. Introduction. This family Gramineae, according to Bentham and Hooker, is also known as Poaceae family. When Bentham and Hooker proposed the system of classification, at that time the name of this family was Gramineae. But when International Code of Botanical Nomenclature is established, at that time the rule was laid, and the rule was that the name of the family must end in a CE, and according to that rule the name of the family Gramineae was changed to Poaceae. The name Poaceae was given by John Henley in 1895 on the basis of tribe Poi, means fodder in Greek. Genus Poa was introduced by Carl Linnaeus. The family consists of plants that are generally cultivated as crop plants for food as cereals. Both annuals and perennial species occur. They are typically monocotyledonous. Then systematic position, according to Bentham and Hooker system of classification, division Phanerogamps, subdivision Angiospermi, class Monocotyledons, then series Glumaceae, and the family Gramineae. Distribution, the family is commonly known as grass family. It is the fifth largest among the angiospermic families, following the Asteraceae, Orchidaceae, Fabaceae, and Rubiaceae. It consists of approximately 900 genera and about 10,000 to 12,000 species. The members are cosmopolitan in distribution. The plants represent all the three ecological types as hydrophytes, xerophytes, and mesophytes. In India, this family is represented by near about 850 species used for agriculture, lawn foliage, and forage grasses, etc. Important genera. The true grasses, that is Poaceae, are one of the largest plant families with around approximately to 12,000 species and roughly 900 genera. But some of them are which are commonly used are wheat, botanical name is Triticum vulgare, then rice Oryza sativa, barley Hordeum vulgare, oat Avena sativa, millet Penicetum americanum, then summer grass cynodon, then winter grass poya, then Casamanthium latifolium, Ornithopoda variegata, and Syzyringium micronata. These are the common genera found in the our area. Then distinguishing character, habit mostly herbs, then stem hollow and cylindrical in shape. Nodes and internodes are present. Then known as culm, no secondary growth found in the any genera. The leaf, simple ligulate sessile leaves are present. Then flowers, they are small, hypogynous, zygomorphic, and bisexual. Androsia, mostly three stamens are found, but sometimes six stamens are also observed. Then gynosia, monocarpellary. Then structure of the plant, grass plant particularly. This is the grass plant. It is annual grass plant, and here is the stunted or stem, and stem is another part of it is called as stem is called as stolon, as well as sometimes it is also rhizomatous, and here above the ground there is crown of blade. Root system is adventitious or fibrous, and here tillers are present, tillers are found here. This is about the structure of grass plant. Then habit and habitat, mostly the plants are herbs, annual or perennial, or sometimes they are shrub, and sometimes tree like plants are also found. Example, bambusa and dendrocalamus, they are tree like. and no secondary growth occur anywhere. This is about the structure of grass plant. Then vegetative characters. First character is the root. They have fibrous or adventitious root system. Some may have a fascicle or a stilt root also. Example, maize. Stem. The stem is erect and herbaceous with distinct nodes and internodes. Stem may be branched or unbranched also, and aerial vegetative shoots are arising from the base of aerial stem or from underground stem called as tillers, or stem, sometimes stem, unbranched stem is also formed. It is cylindrical, ribbed, hollow, joined at the nodes, greenish yellow in color, and is liable to fall easily. Then leaves. Leaves are simple. They may be called in alternate, green and exstipulate. Entire margin with parallel venation and acute apex is found also. The leaf base has a sheath. This is very important characteristic feature of this family. Leaf base has a sheath and membranous ligule is present at the junction of leaf sheath and leaf blade. Here we can easily see that leaf ligule. It is present at the junction of leaf sheath and leaf blade here. Then about the reproductive character, it starts from the inflorescence. Here in this family Poaceae, the inflorescence is special type, that is the spikelet one. The compound spike, which may be sessile or stalked, each unit of inflorescence is spikelet. The spikelets are arranged in various way on the main axis called as rachila. A compound inflorescence may be spike of spikelet, that is spikes of spikelets is found in triticum, that is wheat. Panicle of spikelets found in Avena sativa, that is oat, and the spikelets consist of short axis called as rachila, on which one or many sessile or short stalk flowers are borne. The florets may be arranged in alternate or opposite manner on the central axis. At the base of rachila, two sterile scales called glumes are present. The glumes are placed one above the other on opposite sides. The lower one is called as first glume and the upper is called as the second glume. Both the glumes are boat shaped and sterile. Above the glumes, a series of florets are present. Each floret has an inferior pilia or lemma, and above it superior pilia. The lemma frequently bears a long stiff hair called on. Here this is the main axis, and the number one, the first number is given, that is the glumes. This is the lower glumes and it is the upper glumes. Then here at the axil of this one, here this is the main axis, and from main axis alternately these spikelets are formed. Here when we are discussing about the spikelets, there is a lower glume, it is two lemmas. This is the lower lemma, this is upper lemma, and above it sometimes here found the lodicals. Above lodicals there are stamens. They may be 3 or 6, and after all, above there is a gynoecium, which is monocarpellary, having 2 feathery stigma. This is, and many such spikelets are present on the main axis, and this is the compound inflorescence called as the spikelet inflorescence found in this family. About the flowers are bracteate and bracteolate. They are sessile, incomplete, hermaphrodite or unisexual in case of Ziamase. Hermaphrodite means bisexual. They are incomplete means all the 4 whorls are not found, and that's why the flowers are incomplete. Hermaphrodite means they are bisexual, but sometimes unisexuals also. Example, Ziamase. Irregular, zygomorphic, hypogynous means with superior ovary, and cyclic. Then perianth, represented by membranous scale called as lodicals. Lodicals are situated above and opposite the superior pilia or may be absent or many or two or three. Then Androecium, usually stamens are 3, rarely 6. Example, Bambusa and Oryza sativa. In both these plants, anthers are 6, and one in various species of Androstis. Then Androstis lepturus, polyandrous, then filaments long, anthers dithecous, versatile, linear, extros means facing towards outside, and pollen grains are dry. Then Gynosia, it is monocarpellary. According to some author, carpels, there are 3 carpels, out of which 2 are abortive. Superior ovary unilocular with single ovule and basal placentation. Style short or absent, and stigmas 2, that is feathery or papillate and branched. This is it is the monocarpellary ovary having 2 feathery stigma, and style is very short or it is nothing. Then fruit. Fruit is commonly called as caryopsis or akin with pericarp, completely united or adhere to the seed coat, or rarely nut. In case of Dendrocalamus, the fruits are called as the nut, and in case of Bambusa, fruits are called as berry. Then seeds. Seeds are endospermic and containing single cotyledon called as scutellum, then which is shield shaped and pressed against the endosperm. Here the structure of this is the structure of seed, and here outermost layer it is called as testa plus pericarp. Then about the endosperm, alluron layer is present, and then starchy endosperm is found inside. Then about the endosperm, here coleoptile, then scutellum and radicula and coleorhiza, they are found here in case of the seed. About the floral formula and floral diagram, here floral formula zygomorphic, then bisexual, perianth members not found absent, or they may be in the form of loducles which are 2 in number. Then Androecium means stamens, they are 3 or 6, and Gynoecium monocarpellary with superior ovary. This is about the floral diagram of this family Gramineae. Economic importance. The family stands first and foremost in respect of economic importance in whole of the angiosperm, as there are found so many plants which are of very economically important. They are food plants, then aromatic oil plants, then building material found in there, as well as they are fodder, and so many economic important plants are there, and that's why this is very economically important family. The family has divided on the economic basis as follows. First of all, we are seeing about the food plants. Triticum aestivum, that is Triticum vulgare also. Then it is wheat, the Oryza sativa, Gia maize, Hordeum vulgare, Sorghum vulgare, Avena sativa, Penicetum typhoides. These are the cereal crop plants, and they are cultivated crop plants. First of all, this is a Triticum aestivum. It is also called as Triticum vulgare also, and it is known as bread wheat. As breads are prepared from this wheat, in our side, in our country, mostly chapatis are prepared from this wheat. It is cultivated wheat species, and about 95% of wheat production produced worldwide is a common wheat. Then Oryza sativa, it is commonly called as rice or Asian rice, and it has a genome consisting of 430 megabytes across 12 chromosomes. It is renowned for being easy to genetically modify and is a model organism for cereal biology. There are number of rice varieties, and in India Up till now, 5,000 varieties are reported. Um, Commonly found rice are basmati rice, then luchai rice, brown rice, then sago like rice is there, green rice, and nowadays black rice is also found in our country also. This is the Jia maize, commonly called as maize, uh, and the best known species is Jia maize. It is the one of the most important crop for human society throughout much of the world, because it is consumed in a very large quantity. Then Hordeum vulgare, it is called as barley or jau, a member of grass family, is a major cereal grain grown in temperate climate globally. It was one of the first cultivated grain. Uh, Before wheat, it was cultivated, and that's why it is the first cultivated grain. Then sorghum vulgare or sorghum bicolor also, commonly called as sorghum in English and jawar in regional local language. It is cultivated in Maharashtra, mostly in Vidarbha, um, and it is a cereal crop, and the another all plant parts can be used as a fodder. Avena sativa, it is oat, sometimes called as common oat, is a species of cereal grain grown for its seed. Here, these are the seeds of oat, and nowadays many um, types of oat, that is masala oat, simple oats, are available in the market, and it is very popular grain. Oats are associated with lower blood cholesterol when consumed regularly. Then Pennisetum typhoidis, it is called as bajra or pearl millet, is most widely grown type of millet. It has been grown in Africa and Indian subcontinent since prehistoric time. Fodder, many grasses as Cynodon, dactylon, then panicum, then Symbopogon, agrostis, poa are grown as a fodder. Here, this is the Cynodon dactylon, known as Bermuda grass or Durva grass. It is also grown grown for lawn purposes, Bermuda grass. Then this is Symbopogon species. It is agrostis species, and this is panicum species. These are the this is Poa annua. These all are the grass species and cultivated as a fodder. Then here is the Saccharum officinarum. Commonly it is cultivated to get sugar or gur, and here the sweet juice is present inside the stem, and that's why it is cultivated to get the sugar. Then for building material, some species of bambusa, that is bambusa tulda and bambusa vulgaris, these species of bamboo, they are cultivated to make the building material, as well as hatching herds, and there are many items are prepared from this bamboo, and most of the um, common men in India, they prepare such type of articles. Then furniture, the species of Dendrocalamus, they are particularly used in the manufacture of furniture, and here aromatic grasses are also found. They particularly Vitiveria zizanoides, commonly called as the khas, yields vetiver oil from the roots. Here, khas plant. Here, these are the khas roots are there, and many it is used in many purposes also. The roots are also woven into curtains. They, also Dendropogon odoratus, that is ginger grass, then Symbopogon citratus, lemongrass, Symbopogon martini, it is a geranium grass. Now here they extract the oil, which is the aromatic oil, and used in various purposes in the perfumery. Symbopogon citratus, it is commonly called as lemongrass, and lemongrass is also taken as tea, which is good for our health. And then medicinal purposes, then Pragmatis carca and Symbopogon Sconianthus are grown for medicinal purposes, as they extract the oil which is used for insect repellent formula. It is also called as citronella oil, and from this Pragmatis carca, it is, or Symbopogon sconianthus, it is called as the citronella, and from this grass citronella oil can be extracted, which is used in the insect repellent purposes. Also, ergotine is an excellent remedy for uterine contraction, and that is that's ergotine is extracted from Claviceps purpurea, which is the certain type of fungus which is cultivated on these plants, and then ergotine is extracted, and which is the excellent remedy for uterine contraction. Then true citronella plants are Symbopogon nardus, and it is citronella oil is used as external insecticide. Here the difference between citronella grass and Symbopogon grass is that citronella grass has reddish colored pseudostem, while Symbopogon has here green pseudostems. Then certain types of bamboos, they are used to manufacture papers in the large quantity. Now, we can make the woodwind instruments also from the some varieties of bamboo, or some species of bamboo. Here it is this is the melodious woodwind instrument. It is called as basri. Then ornamental plants are there also, that is Rhynche lythrum repens, Rhynche lythrum, or Cordaderium salona. These are the some two genera which are used as a ornamental plants for its beautiful appearance. Then ornamental grasses are there, Ornithopoda variegata and Jasmanthium latifolium. These are the two plants, and they can be grown in the garden for their beautiful appearance. Then meadow grass is also there, Syzyrinchium mucronata. It is the name of the plants which is cultivated as a meadow grass. There is another plant, that is Carex grayi. Carex grayi is the plant which is very beautiful plants, because the fruits have spikes, and that's why it is cultivated in the garden as a ornamental grass. Then next is the Bermuda grass, or Durva grass, and it is cultivated in the many garden as a lawn grass. Then thank you very much for your time.